On 7th April 2012, an avalanche hit a Pakistani army base in Gayari sector near the Siachen glacier region, trapping 140 soldiers and civilian contractors under deep snow. The incident occurred at an altitude of about 4,000 meters and 300 kilometers northeast of Skardu. It was the worst avalanche that the Pakistani military has experienced in the area. On May 29, 2012, Pakistan declared that the 129 soldiers and 11 civilians were martyred. Around 2 a.m. Pakistani Standard Time on 7th April 2012, a massive ice avalanche struck a Pakistani military headquarters at Gayari, 30 kilometers west of the Siachen glacier near the Siachen region. Located in the deep valley at 3,775 meters, 12,400 above sea level, the Gayari base is one of the most important Pakistani bases in the area. At the time of the ice avalanche, the base was occupied by soldiers of the 6th Northern Light Infantry Battalion, a unit trained in the mountain operations. Avalanches are uncommon in the area of Gayari. Due to the low avalanche risk, Gayari was a bigger complex and housed many more soldiers than other bases in the Siachen region. The glacier avalanche broke off at an elevation of around 4,560 meters above sea level in a distance of around 1,300 meters from the camp. The initial reports indicated that at least 100 Pakistani soldiers, a colonel and a commander, had been trapped under an estimated 21 meters of snow, covering an area of 1 square kilometer. Number of people missing was later stated to be at least 135, at least 124 soldiers and 11 civilian contractors. No communication with any person from the base was reported after the avalanche. A list of 135 names of those missing was later released by the ISPR, the Inter-Services Public Relations of the Armed Forces. The army declared all victims of the avalanche as shuhada, martyrs, as the nature and magnitude of the disaster indicated minimal chances of recovering any survivors. An avalanche rescue operation was quickly launched by the Pakistan military. Over 150 soldiers using helicopters, rescue dogs and heavy machinery airlifted from the main garrison in Rawalpindi began searching the area for the missing soldiers and contractors. With a team of doctors and paramedics standing by, local reports initially indicated that the operation had recovered at least 12 bodies by the end of the day. But official reports stated that no victims had been found dead or alive. Due to the remoteness and extreme weather conditions, rescue operations were expected to take several days to complete. Nevertheless, official Pakistani military sources remained hopeful, and an anticipated improvement in weather conditions was expected to quicken the operation after initial efforts on the night of 7th and 8th April were cut short due to bad weather and darkness. An unnamed senior military officer said, "All we can do now is pray. It is such a desperately tough place that it would need a miracle for someone to have survived."